Before we begin, you might need the following tools to get the job done. Make sure you have all the required knotwood materials for this system. To begin, place the L brackets at the ends of the batten. Make sure the axes are properly aligned. Screw the brackets into the inner face of the batten. Once this is done, position the batten in the desired location and secure it to the supporting surface by screwing through the bottom face of the L bracket. Ensure that both the top and bottom of the batten are firmly fixed. Repeat this process for all battens, making sure the pieces are aligned and evenly spaced. To finish, seal the battens by pressing the closing brackets until you hear a click. Repeat this process until all the pieces are securely sealed. And that's it. Now your new stand-up battens is finished. For more information, contact us or visit our website